Welcome to another glorious Vitiated how-to. Tonight, actually, can't say day, it's night. I'm gonna show you how to take out the turn signal bulbs in a Mercedes GL 450. If you get a error code by the steering wheel that says marker light lamp, it's that one right there. Okay. To change it, first you got to get to it. You're going to see something that looks like, you're going to feel something that looks like this. This is the passenger side, by the way. I'm going to have to show you the driver's side because it's harder. You're going to have this. It's going to be just like this up in here. So you're going to look down here on this wiring harness and you're going to follow it till you feel it. As you feel it, you're going to come back over here to that and you're going to jiggle it. You jiggle this and return, this will be in there as so. It's going to be just like this. Okay, you jiggle that and you'll be able to see the this marker lamp underneath there. When you jiggle it and you find out which one it is, you take and you push this right here and then you separate it. I'll set that down. You'll pull that from back here and then you'll reach and you'll have to take this because you'll have to twist it like so. See, I'll stick this back in there so I can show you. It's going to be right next to this that way, and you're going to turn it like this. Turn it this way and then pull it out, and then you shouldn't have a problem. Okay, then you change the bulb, which ain't that big of a deal. You pull the stupid bulb out and you put another one back in. This is a new one, so yes, I know I'm kind of doing this backwards, but it took me a minute to figure it out, and I couldn't find nobody that explained how to do it. They just said this and that, and it was for everything else. Okay. The type of bulb you need is this one right here. Long, you ain't gonna worry about that too much, but that's the number. 194 NA. If you go to discount, they're gonna try to sell you a 2825. And that 2825 is for that damn thing. And they're going to try to charge you $16. And that there, I think I paid $5 for both of them. So yeah, they can suck my ass on that deal. Okay, so now you see that one. Okay, and this is that side. I mean, that's just really all there is to it. You got to put this back first. Back in there like so, back where it came from, and then you got to put the harness back on it. And it's always a fun part trying to get this goddamn thing back in there. Because it's harder than it looks. Because when you stick it, it has to be just like this. Like that. Because if you look at it, when you turn it, it's going to have this sticking out that way, so that way you can grab it. If you do it the other way, you're not going to be able to get this if you have to change this damn thing again. So you need to put it this way and you need to turn it that way. It's where this is up and down, where this little thing here and that clip are on the outside. And notice, there's only one way to put this damn thing in. You got a big end and you got a little end. You just got to feel with your hand which is which. It's a tiny ass little hole to put it in too. Come on. Okay. Okay, I stand corrected. I'll pull this back out and re-show it to you, because I thought that's how I pulled it out. It's got to go in this way because it's got to turn that way. I thought I pulled it out the other way. But in order to get it turned, once you push it in, you got to push it in hard and turn it like that. And it's real hard to do because it's a tight space. But this is the easier of the two. So, put this one back in. And it doesn't go straight in. This damn hole's at an angle facing outward a little bit. So it's quite a pain in the ass. You know what I mean? Come on. Gotta make sure it's snug. Alright. Now you gotta take this, the harness, and you gotta put it on that, on the end of that. And you gotta make sure it's not all tangled up like I just did, like a dumbass. There we go. Now it's untangled. And you just gotta feel your way and finger it out. There we go. Ouch. And just think this is the easier one. The other one's a real pain in my ass. Okay. Now as you can see, I got it back in there and it looks good to go. All this is a turn signal. Okay, now I'm gonna start the car and check it to make sure, because it won't be the first time I've done something stupid, and I'm sure it ain't gonna be the last. All right. Back over here, walking around, and voila, there's that goddamn thing. That's the passenger side. Now, that's the end of this video. Please check out my other videos. And again, it's the marker light on the passenger side of a GL 450 Mercedes-Benz. Thank you, and check out the other videos.